Hello, welcome to another episode of Investigators in Cars Drinking Coffee. I'm your host, Mark Murnan. I'm joined once again by my lovely co-host, not Vanna White, but Wendy Strom Murnan, licensed private investigator, certified paralegal, and we are out and about.
We're out.
We're out. We're out of the house.
We're on an adventure.
We're on an adventure. They have just kind of reopened, soft reopening phase 1 here in South Florida, and where we are at, which is a very nice part of the state, Palm Beach County. So we're just kind of exploring. We went to what have we been doing since we've been on shutdown?
Well,
Lockdown.
not much, but now that they've opened it up, we're getting out a little bit. So we thought we'd share a little bit of our adventures.
Yeah.
For any of you that want to get out and don't know what to expect, there's no big surprises. But we had dinner. We went to our favorite Mexican restaurant, La Fogata.
It was delicious, yeah.
Yeah, on Friday night. So that was the first time we'd been out for dinner.
First date in two months, 8 weeks.
Yeah, that's true.
That's right. We went out and about on 2 weeks, 8 weeks, and went out for dinner. Had a real. I couldn't figure out the menu. You have to use your phone you have to use an app to order. But then you tell the waitress who...
Well, you use your app to look at the menu. We thought we were supposed to order it, so you're trying to punch it in.
I'm trying to punch it all in, and then the waitress comes over
Yeah.
and takes our order. So
she had a mask on,
Yeah.
and
we had a mask on, then we realized couldn't eat through it. So
yeah. So anyway, so she took our order, and everything was delicious. It was very spaced out. They have booths in there, so we weren't sitting near anybody. Oh, there we go.
had the same one for 8 weeks. I guess it's time to...
Where did you get that from? The bottom of the console?
Yeah.
That's clean.
Where do we keep all this stuff?
So anyway, we had a lovely dinner. You do have to hand them your credit card, and they take it away and they bring it back.
Yeah.
So I would advise to have hand sanitizer.
That's right, after they bring it back.
Which we did. We hand sanitized
sanitize everything.
But it was exciting just to be out and also to support our local businesses. So,
yeah, we have a strong affinity. Since we are a small local business, we have a great affinity for those. And one of our favorite places, Nick's 50s Diner in West Palm Beach, is open now.
Yeah.
And they have opened up some of the restaurants to a quarter capacity, 25% capacity, and now to 50%. Though we've just left the Gardens Mall in Palm Beach Gardens, it is open but not.
Yeah, we thought maybe we could get our glasses adjusted.
Yeah.
Because they said the mall was open, but I guess that's just too close to be
I
open
guess
yet. So we still have our glasses falling off our face.
Starbucks, what's plural of Starbucks? Starbucks stores are now opening in various stages, so we're no longer having to go through the drive-thru to get coffee.
What was the busiest place that you would say at the mall?
Chick-fil-A.
Yeah. Long line.
Long lines at Chick-fil-A. Can't get enough of the chicken sandwich.
Didn't look too much like 6 feet apart, but anyway.
They're working it.
Yeah,
So,
Macy's is open.
I mean, for 8 weeks now, we've been sheltering in place, safer at home.
Yeah.
Occasional outs to try to locate people, but for the most part, 24/7.
Starbucks
drive-through, but we've been together the whole time.
Yeah.
How have we done that without homicide or suicide?
I think it's just a lot of patience and, kind of keeping your mind on yourself and what you need to be doing and, giving each other a little space, don't you think?
I think so.
Yeah.
I think so.
Yeah.
I mean, I know a lot of couples and families are home together, but sometimes your wife's working one place, you're working another, or the husband's working someplace else. But we work together.
Yeah, we're used to that.
Yeah, we're used to that.
Yeah.
We're just not used to that so much.
No, you're not usually around all the time.
No.
So anyway.
But last week I got out, I think 3 days in a row. I was
Yeah.
looking for witnesses. Vero Beach, Fort Lauderdale, and Stewart.
Yes.
So about 70 miles, 50 miles, another 30 miles or so.
There you go.
So it was nice getting out and about.
Nice to have a quiet office and
Yeah.
a little time. So so welcome to the new normal. I'm not sure what that's going to be. We're out here checking out.
Nobody does.
And so far nothing's been scary. And everything seems safe, so get out, get yourselves out, get some. I got into the
some
mall.
fresh air.
It felt so great.
Wendy felt so much better, even at the hint of retail therapy.
Yeah, just to smell that mall. Oh man, that was just.
Smell the mall air.
Yeah,
That's
was nice.
fresh.
That was nice. I can't wait.
It's a little unnerving though, because we know that there are countless thousands of small businesses, large companies. Several major retailers have filed for bankruptcy protection, probably to reorganize. One of our favorite restaurant chains is still open, but filed for bankruptcy protection. So it's going to be a very, very difficult recovery, though we are very optimistic. We've been very blessed to stay in business.
Yes.
With new cases coming in, very grateful for our clients who are still in business and still referring cases to us as well. So anyway, get out and about. Just want to remind you, if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, we still have, if I can get them out of here. Coasters. Still got a couple. I think I touched my. I just washed them. I really did. I just wiped them out.
They're sanitized.
They're sanitized. These are sanitized, and these will be sanitized when we send them to you. So subscribe below.
Bag.
All through a sanitary mail delivery system too. It's all sanitized.
Okay.
Yeah, but send off subscribe to one of these right here. We've got some mugs, some new things coming out as well.
Just a word: don't put these in the dishwasher. Okay.
Thank you, Wendy.
They're cardboard.
High quality cardboard, but probably best not to put them in the dishwasher. Anyway, just wanted to kind of give you a little personal update as to what's going on with the investigators in cars. And
we're still here.
We're still here. Our puppies are still at home, and we're going to let them out, let them run around a bit. But we're glad to spend some time with you. Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
And we'll see you next time. Have a nice time. Get out and about to the degree that you can. Stay safe. We'll see you next time on the next episode of Investigators in Cars Drinking Coffee.
Woo woo.